Hello everyone, this is Ahinsko and I welcome you back once again to Ahinsko Solo Tech. Over here what we do is we teach how to make money online and then we also teach tech techniques and then tricks. In general, this channel is all about IT. If this is your first time being on this channel, kindly smash that subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification so that each and every time that I release new video, you'll be the first person to get it. And if you are old here, thanks for coming back. In today's video, I'll be walking you through another best way to make money online. So without further ado, let's dive into the video starting right now. Now, the website I'll be talking about today is called Nationton Republic. Nationton Republic. I've been doing videos about this website quite a long time ago, and it is still in the system paying people a lot of money. Yeah, so to those who are new to Nationton Republic, I will take you through on how to earn money on this website and how this website works. Now, somebody will ask, what is Nationton Republic website about at all? Now, Nationton Republic is an online business and a powerful advertising platform where business owners go there to promote their product. Yeah, business owners go there to promote their product. All that you gotta do, you have to just sign up and then follow suit to promote your products. And I'm assuring you, there are a lot of people on this website where you can get more people to purchase your product. So this is all what this website is about. Now someone will ask, I am not a product owner, I do not sell anything, so how am I going to earn from this website? Calm down, I will show you everything. Now let's look at how the website works. Now the one says register with 10 cedis, 50 cedis, 100 cedis or 102 cedis. With the 10 cedis, 50 cedis, 100 or 102 cedis, you get access to our premium product worth more than 10,000 per individual. Enjoy Nationton Republic services, post ads, promote your business, get jobs websites, corporate websites and news and blog websites. You may invite friends and family. Simply use your referral link or username to invite your friends and family to register on Nationton Republic. And then the 4 says, we pay you 9 cedis, 40 cedis, 51 or 70 per each valid invite. If you invite one person, we pay you 9 cedis, 40 cedis, 51 or 70. If you invite 10, we pay you 90 cedis, 400, 510 or up to 700 and so on. No limit. So this is how this website works. As I said earlier, it's an advertising website where product owners can go there and then promote their business. And this website is basically for website creation. When you need a professional website, this website can create one for you. But we are not here for the business side, neither we are here for the website creation side. We are here just to earn money on this website. But before you join this website, you have to sign up with an amount of money. We have 10 cedis, you have 50 cedis and 100 cedis or 102. With the 10 cedis, your subscription is valid for 2 months. After 2 months, you have to reactivate or renew your membership. For 50 cedis, which is for the normal account, this is for a whole year. After a whole year, you have to reactivate it again. And then we are having 100 cedis for those who are into business, product owners who want to promote their product on this website. You have to sign up for the business account, which is 100 cedis or 102 cedis. Now let's see how we will earn from this website. When you register for an account on this website and you invite one person, this website will pay you 9 cedis, 40 cedis, 51 or 70 per the membership of who you invited, purchased or used. When you invite one person, this website will pay you 9 cedis. The reason is when the person register with the normal account, which is the beginner account, that is for 10 cedis, this website will take 1 CD from it and then give you the remaining 9 CDs as your sign up bonus. When you invite another person and the person also signs up for 50 CDs, which is valid for a year, this website will take I think 10 CDs and give you 40 CDs. When you invite another person and the person signs up with 100 CDs, this website is going to take 30 CDs and give you 70 CDs as follows. So this is quite good compared to other websites. This is not a Ponzi scheme or whatever. I have been using this website for quite a long. I heard about this website, I think 2020, but I was like you, I was afraid to be investing on this online or whatever. But I bet you, since I joined this online and I got my own YouTube channel, trust me, life is becoming better now. So there is no need for you to be afraid investing on this website. Even this is not an investment. Just sign up, invite people, and then earn. Be there and you'll be earning. And one thing is, even if you do not invite more people, let's say you invited 3 people, and these 3 people continue to reactivate, or when their membership expires and they continue to reactivate, still you are going to get commission on it. Whenever they reactivate the account, you are going to get commission till they leave this website. So it is very simple. It is quite good earning money on this website. Now let me take you through on how to register an account on this website. A link will be placed in the video description. So all that you gotta do is you have to click on it. When you click on it, it will load you to this page. When it's loaded, you are going to select here that says either you are not from Ghana or you are from Ghana. So if you are from Ghana, you have to choose here that says I am in Ghana. You click on it. Now it is asking of the account type you want, whether you want the starter account, which is 10 CDs, valid for 2 months. You have the personal account for a whole year, valid for a whole year, and then they are having the business account, which is for 100 CDs for a whole year. So those who are into business, those who want to promote their product, you are going to select the business account here. I know you will say you are afraid of your money, so trust me, just sacrifice your 10 CDs and then register an account on this website, and I bet you will love using this website. So when you want to register, just select the account type you want. Let's say you want to register for the starter account, so you have to click on it like this, register. Here you have to fill the information here. You enter your first name, your last name, your username or nickname. You enter your phone number. You will come and then enter your email address here, and then you confirm. But make sure the email that you are entering exists, and then you use it here, because they will be sending you a link for you to confirm. And then you choose whoever invited you. So here you are going to enter Ahinsco here. Ahinsco, ARHINSCO. You enter it here. And then how to pay for your membership fee. It says please send the membership fee of 10 CDs from your phone to our numbers. So you are going to dial *170 to pay the membership fee of 10 CDs to this number. So you copy this number here. When you are an MTN user, so you copy this number here, and then you go and send your membership fee to it. So like this, you dial *170# here. And then you go to option 1, transfer money. Option 1, you paste the number that you copied from the website, you confirm it, you enter the amount that you want to send, and then you proceed. You proceed. Now the name that will come is, I think, Nationton Information Technology. Nationton Information Technology. After you are done sending the money, the option 2 says you will receive the usual mobile money SMS from your network provider. 3. Look into the SMS message, copy the transaction ID and enter it below. So whenever you send money, you get transaction ID. Yeah, you get transaction ID. So when you are done sending the membership fee, go and copy the transaction ID that they will give you and then come and paste it here, which will prove that you have really paid for the membership fee. Yeah, I hope everybody is aware of that. So you just go ahead and copy your transaction ID and then you set your password, you confirm your password, you click on I agree and understand, you click on create password. After that, they will send you a link through your email address for you to confirm. Yeah, I think it will take an hour or so for them to activate your account and then you can start earning from there. Now, I am already having an existing account, so let me take you through and show you how the account looks like. So when your account is being created and then you confirm and then you activate your account, this is how your account dashboard will look like. Yeah, this is how your account dashboard will look like. So you will see total approved here, total paid here, newly earned, and then total pending here. Yes. So whenever you invite anyone, you will just see the amount of money you've been able to earn here. Now you can see I have earned 72 cedis from this website. I think I signed up with the starter account, which is 10 cedis for valid for 2 months. Yeah, valid for 2 months. Now I'm able to earn 72 cedis from this website, which means the website is really working and there is nothing scam on this website. Now let me go and show you those who I have been invited. So let me click on those I have invited. Now you can see you have invited a total of 8 members since you joined Nationton Republic. This means, according to our generosity giveaway program, every year you have the potential to earn at least 9 times 8, which is 72 cedis. Whenever they continue activating the account, each and every year, without doing anything, you'll be earning 72 cedis. When you invited people who signed up for a year, which they paid 50 cedis, you are going to get 320 each and every year. 320 each and every year. And it as follows. It as follows. And then the 3 says, this is because anytime any of the members you have invited renews his or her account, you automatically receive 9, 40 or 70 as commission. So as I told you earlier, this is how the account works. Whenever you invite someone and then the person continues activating, reactivating or renewing his account, you will still get commission on that each and every time they renew their account without doing anything. Now when you want to invite someone, you just gotta click here that says referral link. You click on referral link here and it says referral link was copied successfully. So this is what you are going to share to your friends. And whenever someone sign up an account using your referral link, you are going to get commission on that. So it is with you. Know how to convince people. You have to know how to convince people, and then it is not like you are convincing them for a bad thing or something, or you want to scam them or something. No, this is legit website that I have shown you my withdrawal proof. Total approved. Total paid is 72 cedis. Total paid is 72 cedis, which means this website is truly working. Someone will say it's a scam or something. Let me go and show you my payment request that I received. Let me go and show you here. You see, I requested for 9 cedis as at 5th March, and it was paid. I requested for 18 cedis, 27 cedis, 18 cedis, and as follows. So this website is not a scam compared to other websites. This is really paying. This is a legit website. So you have to know how to convince people. You have to know how to convince people. And then when you send the referral link to them and they sign up for an account, you are going to get commission on that. As simple as ABC. And trust me, you will love using this website. I know of someone who has been able to get 5,000 plus using this website, but that one was for a business account. Yeah, this one I used the starter account, the 10 cedis, which is valid for 9 cedis. Yeah, that's why I am earning. I have been able to earn 72 Ghana cedis only. So trust me and then join this website, and then you will love it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, kindly share for others to enjoy. Follow Ahinsko Solotech on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and then on Twitter. It's Ahinsko here, and then I'm out. Bye.